Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reduce attachment size when sending emails in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to send large files but want to stay within email size limits or ensure faster delivery to your recipients. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your inbox and all your existing emails appear on screen. This is your main workspace where you'll manage all your email communications. Now that your email has loaded, to reduce attachment size when sending emails in Outlook, you need to access your email composition tools. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can craft your message and add attachments. From the email composition screen, the process of reducing attachment size is quite straightforward, but there are a few important steps to follow carefully. First, look at the top part of your screen where your composition tabs are located. You'll see several tabs like Message, Insert, and Format Text. Click on Insert to access the attachment options. From your Insert menu, click on the Attach File dropdown. This will reveal several options for adding files to your email. Look for the Browse this PC option and click on it. This opens up a File Explorer window that lets you navigate through your computer's folders and files. In the File Explorer window that appears, browse through your folders to locate the attachment you wish to reduce the size of. This could be a document, image, or any other file type you want to send. Once you've found the right file, click on it to select it. Here's where the size reduction happens. Right-click on the selected file to reveal a context menu with various options. From the options that appear in the context menu, simply select Compress an Email. This option will compress your file into a smaller size before attaching it to your email, making it much easier to send and quicker for your recipient to download. However, it's important to note that you need to have a certain compression program installed on your computer to have this option available. Programs like WinRAR or 7-Zip provide this functionality. If you don't see this option, you'll need to install one of these compression tools first. And there you have it. You've successfully reduced your attachment size before sending it through Outlook, ensuring your email goes through smoothly without hitting size limits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.